What happens when immigrants report labor law exploitation? Imagine working in a place where you feel unsafe or unfairly treated, but you're scared to speak up. When immigrants report labor law exploitation, a lot of important steps happen to protect them and fix the problems. First, many policies now help prevent deportation or punishment for reporting abuse. The Department of Homeland Security has rules that give deferred action to workers who come forward. This means they can stay in the country temporarily and might get work authorization. This helps reduce the fear of being sent back to their home country just for speaking out. Employers are now less likely to retaliate because enforcement agencies focus on going after the bad employers, not the workers. If an immigrant reports a problem, they can contact different government agencies. The Department of Labor handles wage theft and unsafe conditions. The Department of Justice's Immigrant and Employee Rights section deals with discrimination or retaliation. If there's an emergency, calling 911 is the best move. There are also multilingual resources that explain workers' rights and how to report issues clearly. Federal laws protect workers from being fired or treated unfairly because of their citizenship or national origin. If an immigrant faces discrimination or threats after reporting, they can file a formal complaint with the Department of Justice or seek help through hotlines. When labor violations are reported, investigations often lead to penalties for employers who break the law. These penalties can include paying back wages, fixing unsafe conditions, or reinstating workers who were unfairly fired. Reporting helps make workplaces safer and fairer for everyone, including immigrant workers. By speaking up about exploitation, immigrants help create better job conditions and more stable careers. Knowing how to report abuse and understanding legal protections gives them confidence to stand up for their rights. This can lead to better job security, safer workplaces, and more chances to grow in their careers in a new country. When immigrants report labor law violations, they gain access to protections that lessen the risk of deportation and retaliation. They can use official channels to file complaints and benefit from legal safeguards against discrimination. These steps help ensure they can work fairly and build a future without fear of unfair treatment or abuse.